Have you ever wondered, why can you spend hours playing your favorite video game, but struggle to study for just 20 minutes? It's not because you're lazy or you lack discipline, or because you're bad at studying. The real reason is a lot simpler. Games are designed to keep your brain engaged. Studying usually isn't. And once you understand why, you can use the exact same psychology to make studying feel easier. Let's imagine you open your favorite game. Immediately, you know exactly what you're supposed to do. Complete this mission. Defeat this enemy. Reach the next level. Every few minutes, something happens. You gain experience. You unlock a reward. You see your progress. Now compare that with studying. You sit down, open a textbook, and your task is simply study chapter 5. No progress, no feedback, no rewards, just one huge objective that feels endless. Your brain hates that because this objective is abstract, and you don't have a clear path that you need to follow. This is where gamification comes in. Gamification is like turning learning into a video game. It's about applying the psychology behind games to real life. Games understand something that most students don't. People love making progress, not because it is exciting, but because progress is visible. Every time you level up in a game, your brain receives immediate feedback. You know you're getting closer to your goal. Studying rarely gives you that feeling. Also, most students only receive feedback during an exam, which might happen weeks later. That's simply too late. Imagine two students. The first one writes, "Study biology." The second one creates a system. Mission 1. Learn cell structure. 25 experience points. Mission 2. Complete 20 practice questions. 50 experience points. Mission 3. Explain the topic without looking at your notes. 75 experience points. Same subject, same amount of work, completely different experience. One student sees a mountain. The other sees a series of steps or achievable missions. One of the biggest reasons games are addictive is because they constantly reward progress. Notice, I didn't say they constantly reward success. They reward progress, even small progress. For example, you complete a quest. You earn points. You unlock a new item. You move one step closer to the next level. Your brain loves being aware of the small victories. Studying usually ignores them. You study for 2 hours, and nothing happens. No congratulations. No progress bar. No level up. Nothing. That's why so many people quit before they even build momentum. Here's something you can do today. Stop measuring study time. Start measuring completed actions. Instead of saying, "I'm going to study for 3 hours," say, "I'm going to complete 3 missions. Mission 1. Finish 20 flashcards. Mission 2. Answer 10 practice questions. Mission 3. Teach today's lesson without using your notes." Every completed mission earns experience points. Every 100 points earns a reward. Maybe it's a coffee. Maybe it's 30 minutes of gaming. Maybe it's watching one episode of your favorite show. The reward doesn't have to be big. It just has to make progress feel meaningful. You can also create levels. Level 1. Complete 100 points. Level 2. 200 points. Level 3. 300 points. Instead of saying, "I still have 6 chapters left," you'll think, "I'm only 20 points away from level 4. That tiny shift changes everything. And don't forget the final boss. Every great game has one. Your final boss shouldn't be the exam itself. It should be something that proves you've mastered the material. A full mock exam, a timed challenge, teaching the topic to a friend, explaining everything without looking at your notes. That's your boss battle. Everything before that is simply training. Now, does this mean studying suddenly becomes fun? No. Some topics will still be boring. Some days you'll still feel unmotivated. Gamification isn't magic. It doesn't remove effort. It removes unnecessary resistance. Instead of relying on motivation, you rely on a system, and systems are much more reliable than feelings. The biggest lesson is this: games motivate you because they're designed around human psychology. Clear goals, visible progress, immediate feedback, small wins, meaningful rewards. So here's my challenge for you. Before your next study session, design your own game. Track your experience points. Because the more your brain can see progress, the more it wants to keep going. And who knows, maybe the secret to studying better was hiding inside your favorite video game all along. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more study tips, productivity strategies, and more. Please comment if you would like a specific video on how to design your own gamification system. See you in the next one.